In this video, I'll detail how to set timer on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, either the Series 9 or Series 8, and you want to set a timer on your Apple Watch, you can use the watch face to set the timer, and then you can set the timer using the timer app on your Apple Watch. So if you don't know this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to set a timer on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the digital crown to exit the watch face, and then locate the timer icon. This is the timer icon. Click on that. Then this is going to open no active timer. Click on the plus icon at the top right. Then here you'll be prompted to set your timer for how many minutes, for 1 minute or for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. If none of these timer suggestions is available for you, or if none of these timer suggestions meet your requirements, just scroll down, tap the plus icon, then set your timer, set your seconds, set your minutes, your seconds, and then milliseconds. So for how many minutes, then set your hours, your minutes, and then your seconds. Then for how many hours, if it is 0 hour, make sure you have 00. If it is 10 minutes or 11 minutes, set this to 11. Then set the seconds as well, and then go ahead and click on start. Once you click on start, you see the timer start and the countdown will begin. Then here you can tap the X icon to close the timer. You see, no timer is active. Then repeat the process again to set the timer of your choice, and then this is the button to pause the timer, and then resume the timer. You can also add additional timer when you have an active timer on your Apple Watch Series 9. Click on the plus icon at the top right. Then you can just tap or edit, then select the timer here, and then click on start. Then you should see the timers here. This one is going to last 17 hours 29 minutes 17 seconds, and this one is going to last 3 minutes. So that's how you can easily set timer on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.